Okay, so first I am showing 1, 2 and 10 after 11, 12. 10 after 11, 12. Okay, so 10 after 11, 12. Okay, Ankita? So I have written here 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Then after 10 plus 4, I have written here 10 plus 4. Okay, now I'm getting, let's see, again some students has joined. Let's see who has joined. Ankita is joined now. Ankita, okay. Then after Shomrik also joined. Shushobhon. Wait beta, I am taking your attendance. Trishita, okay. Arush. And anyone? Okay, Orgho also joined. Ayan Mukherjee. Tomojit Shom. Eleven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Okay. So those are joined now. I'm just repeating that today I'm just telling okay, so I am just telling 10 plus if I am adding 10 plus 1, 2 and anything, then how do you count with your fingers? So then after 10 plus 4, so which was the smallest number? 4. So I am going to show you with the help with my finger 1, 2, 3, 4 because 4 is small number. Then after what you will do? After 10 you will count 10. After 10 you will count 4 fingers 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, Sushobon. So 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Then after, if I am counting 10 plus 8, 10 plus 8, how can you do? First, which one is the, first you find out which one is the smallest number. Which one is the smallest number? 8. 10 plus 8. So 8 is the smallest number. So I am showing 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, Sushabon. 8 fingers. Now what you will do? After 10, 8 fingers you will count. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. One by one you will count and one by one finger you will get down. So after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Okay. So can you understood that how do you count this 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, how many you are counting? First you will find out which is the smallest number. Then after 10 after you will count these fingers or this number. And you will get the answer. Okay beta? So today we will do from your book. Come on, take out your book and go to page number 52. Page number 52. First, you will see that page number 51. First, you go to page number 51. Page number 51. Page number 51 from your book. Can you see there? First, you can see the images or the shapes or the objects like this. Like this. These type of images, all you have first 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All these are 10. From your left side, all these objects are in 10 in number. All are 10 numbers. Okay. And right side, first 10 plus 1 shape. Then after 10 plus 2 objects. Then after 10 plus 3 objects. Like this. All the pages 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 10 plus 4. Yes, Inakshi, I can see that you are showing me. Very good. Yes, I am showing this page actually 51. Okay, so 51 page you have already noticed that this symbol all are in 10 in number, and then after 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 12, 10 plus 3, 13, 10 plus 4, 14, 10 plus 5, 15, like this. Okay. Now we will go to page number 52. Page number 52. Page number 52. Okay, Jasim has joined also. So Jasim Ali Dafadar. (13) 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. Now next, so page number 52. First, you have seen that horses. First, horses. So how many horses? Pink horses. You can see how many? Yes, Inakshi beta, I can see that you have already done this page. So now we are doing this page. So first you can see pink and tails are in blue color. So pink horses, how many in numbers? 6. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first at the right side 6 has written. That means 6 horses are there. Then after at the below, how many green horses? 1, 2, 3. 3 horses are there. Okay. And then after the total horse, 6 plus 3, total horses are 9 in number. Can you see? All the horses, you will first count together that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 horses are there. Okay, Tamojit and everybody. So 9 horses are there. So first has already done for you. Next one we will do. First you can see this image, this type of chocolate or lollipop you can say. So first is green in color or bluish color. You can see light blue or light green you can see. Okay, so how many these are objects? 1 I am doing on the board. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have already drawn here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8, 9, 10. So I am right here 10. I am writing on the board 10. Then after pink chocolates, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the below 10 you will write 4 because here is vertical addition. So at the below you will write 4 and then after the total number of chocolates you will write in the box. How many total chocolates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And you have already known that 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 10 plus 4, you will, if you are not getting this, so 4 is the smallest number, smaller number here. So I am showing 1, 2, 3, 4. After you will count 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. So total number of chocolates are here 14. 1, 4, 14. Okay. Now the thing that I am going to tell you that suppose you are doing vertical addition. So first one 2 plus 3. If you are doing how to do this, just 2 and write here 3. Just below 2 you have written 3. It is very easy. And which is the smallest number? 2. So 1, 2 and then after 3 after 4, 5. So answer is 5. It is very easy to write. So if you will count 10 plus 1, first number, if that is 2-digit number, and first starting 2-digit number from 10, you know everyone. So from 10, okay. So from 10, 2-digit number, you know, 10. You can see 1 and 0, 2-digit number. Then I want to add 1. So where I have written? 1 always written here, just below of 0, in 1's place. You know, it is 10's place and it is 1's place. You know everyone, 10's and 1's, you have already learned. 10's and 1's, always in the below you have written 1. If just 1 digit, you should write in 1's place. In 1's place. So 10 plus 1 you have written like this. Then 11. Okay. If you have adding 3, again 3 is single digit number, so you should write in 1's place. Then 10 plus 3, 13. Then 10 plus 8. Again, 8 is single digit number. So where you should write? In ones place. ঠিক জিরো তলায় লিখতে হবে, জিরো তলাতে লিখতে হবে, in ones place, because 8 is single digit number. So you should write in ones place. জিরোটা এখানে ones place এ আছে, সেই জন্য আমি যে কোনো single digit number I have written in ones place. Okay, so I have written here in ones place. Then 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Okay, then last single digit number 9, like this. Again 9 is single digit number, so I have written here in ones place. So it is also 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Yes, very good. So if you are in vertical addition doing this, you should write like this. Always single digit number at the below you should write in ones place. Okay, in ones place. Yes, Shomrik, very good. Then we will do the next one. There is caps. Okay, there is caps or hat. Okay, not cap, that is hat. So how many blue hats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First 6 hats are there. So you should write beside of hats 6 first. Then after the below this yellowish hats, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 9, 10. So now I have written here that এখানে 10টা দেখো নিচে লিখেছি। So same 1, 0, 6 is always, it is tens place and it is ones place. So you should write here like this. So 10 plus 6 is equal to how many? 16. And here you should count all together all the hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you should write here 16. Total number of hats are here 16. And if you are count with the help of your fingers, again, which is the smallest number? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then after you will count from after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here is also 16. So how can you count? যেমন করে count করো 10 plus 6, answer is 16. Okay, so today we have done these 3 additions, and I have already given for you the homework. You will do next day. We will discuss these homeworks. So today you will just practice these things, and so today I have already given for you 2 homeworks. Now just 2, these chocolates and the birds. You will do these 2 at your home. These 2, only these chocolates and the birds. Okay, you will do at your home. Next day we will do again these homeworks, and already those homeworks we will discuss. So enough for this class today, and goodbye. You will practice at your home. Tata.